Not cool. Maybe you need a little boost.
No. This isn't so bad. It's actually kind of okay. I totally got this. Huh?
You have pudding?
My lair's infested with half-wit foxes. I'm a supervillain, not a babysitting service.
Whoa, that was not smart.
Oh, he's still not smart. Put him back in.
It looks like me. Gotta hand it to those ancients. They had swag. Hey, Percy. Daisy.
So, you really don't remember anything? Not even those twins?
Oh, I remember the twins, all right. I mean, oh, really? Well, tell Fiendbot I look forward to seeing him in a landfill real...
Dude, Tails couldn't have been any clearer, and you still missed the point. Whoa. Is this how you guys feel every time I open my mouth?